Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class 4, and your today's topic is a design with flower. When you was class 3, you have drawn design. You know how to draw the box, how to start the design. Today I have mentioned on this board that 6-inch by 6-inch box. Everyone, now look at the scale. I will show you. This one is inch portion. Okay, everyone, when you use the scale, look at the scale, that inch is right here. So everyone, drag the line from this portion, that means 0 to 6. Okay, now I will show you how to draw a design. You must use the pencil when you will draw the design. Okay. Inch. Look, I have drawn by the pencil, but for clear I will show you the marker, but all of you must draw by the pencil. Start like this. Six inch. Again draw a 6-inch line. Another is also 6-inch. And fourth one is also 6-inch. So remember this box is very important. Okay. And divide this like this. First, drag the line from this corner to this corner, and then drag the line this corner to this corner, and again this corner and this corner. Okay. When you get the point, you must look, this one is a main point. You just set your compass and draw a circle like this. You must use the compass for the circle. Okay, remember it very carefully. And draw a flower like this. You must draw the flower inside of the circle. Okay. And then from this corner you again draw the line by the circle, and the same measurement you will use from this corner. Every corner you measure like this. Okay, and give another line, okay, and then start like this. any confusion, you can draw another circle, that means the boundary. And then you can draw again the same. For better, you can draw like this. Okay, so this one is your design. You must watch this class very carefully, then you can learn how to draw the design and how you will manage it. This one is very important topic to you, because look at this one is very neat and clean. You should neat and clean your design also. Okay, if you won't neat and clean your design, your marks will be deducted. So dear student, when you drag the line, you must very careful. Okay, and every line, remember this again, each and every line is 6 inch by 6 inch, and when you will make the box perfectly, your design will be perfect. So box is very important. You can use any kinds of geometric materials for this design, and you must use the compass for this flower. Okay, you must use the compass. So my dear student, this one is your HW also, HW number 3. You must mention your HW number and send it at your school every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM. So my dear student, no more today. Thank you.